Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Moneybox account. Now the first thing I want you to do is open the Moneybox app, click here on sign up, and then you can go ahead and click on the plus icon at the top right. Then enter your first name, last name, email address, password, and a mobile number. This one has to be a UK only number, and enter your date of birth. Tap on next. And then I want you to just come here, click on I understand, basically agree to the terms and conditions, and click here on next. Now, they'll basically send an email to you. You need to click on the link of the email to verify your account. Tap here on next, go to your email, click on verify my email. And once it is verified, you can tap here on next and just log in to Moneybox with your credentials, with your email and password you had created. So click on login, and then you need to create a PIN, right? So once you have created your PIN and you've confirmed it, then you will be in your account. You can go ahead and open a general investment account. So tap here and open a GIA, scroll down and make sure everything is okay. And now we begin to add money, right? Tap here on next. You can choose an initial deposit and a weekly deposit as well. If you want to round up, you can choose that as well. You'll see your projected value in however many years. Tap here on next, and you can go ahead and choose when you will be adding money. So let's say the first of every month, how much you'll be adding, and then you can set boost, or you can click on not now. Now you can select an investment option. Tap here on next, click on view starting options, and you can choose cautious, balanced, or adventurous. This is the split, okay, and you'll be able to see the historical returns for each fund. You can tap here on confirm, and then you just set a direct deposit, and then you're completing your sign up. So choose your account holder name, account number, sort code, and just set up the direct deposit, and you're basically done. Really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.